As a content creator, I'm always looking for ways to improve my videos and reach more people. So when I heard about artificial intelligence and invideo influencers, I was intrigued. I did my research and found some great tools that promised to help me create amazing videos that would get more views. I was excited to try them out. But, as I started using these tools, something strange happened. My views actually started to decrease. At first, I couldn't understand why this was happening. After all, these were supposed to be the best tools out there. But then, I realized something important. These tools were designed to help me create videos that would go viral, but they weren't considering the human element. Sure, they could analyze data and figure out the best times to post or the most popular keywords to use, but they couldn't capture the authenticity and creativity that makes a video truly great. So, while I still use these tools from time to time, I've learned that there's no substitute for putting my own personal touch on my videos. If you're struggling with getting views on your videos, don't give up. Keep experimenting with different techniques, but remember to stay true to yourself and your unique style. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to be a successful content creator.